Hi folks, how are you? Today I would like to invite you to a webinar I am presenting on October 29th. Today is October 28th, so it's tomorrow, on self-publishing on Amazon Kindle direct publishing platform. I would like to show you how to publish ebooks and paperback books for fun and profit. I have published, I guess, about 100 of such books on Amazon Kindle platform by now, and some of them made money, some of them did not make money. But this webinar is not about the making money part, but how to get out your work published on a huge platform like Amazon. And I will show you tips and trips that will save you a lot of time, though those were hard-learned tricks and tips, because there are so many ways to go about it, to publish on Amazon Kindle. And I hope you'll benefit from it, and if you still haven't, you will start your publishing career as well. A writer means someone who publishes, right? And where else can you publish more easily, more freely? It's free. Amazon doesn't charge you a dime to publish on Amazon Kindle. And then millions, literally, of people visit Amazon every day. So you have a chance of getting hurt and selling stuff and enjoying the whole process. Now, I will drop the link to the webinar in the notes section of this video. It is the tickets are available on Eventbrite. They range between $0 if you are a student or in some other category, up to $15. I don't get a single dime. I want you to know all the proceeds go to Society for Technical Communication. And my own chapter, which I'm very proud, Washington D.C Baltimore chapter, is sponsoring this event. It's a good cause, it's a good event, it's an education event, it's win-win on all sides. And afterwards, I hope you will become a member of STC Washington D.C Baltimore chapter as well. It's a very good place to meet for technical communicators. So with that, I will leave you. Please check the links in the notes section of this video. And if you have any questions, you can write to me at writer111@gmail.com, my email address. So take good care, keep writing. As I always say, write bright, write tight, stay bright, and serve right. So hoping to meet you all tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye.